Chennai. The name always comes along with the essence of Tamil Nadu's culture, heritage, food, its mouth-watering delicacies, and of course, beaches. As you dive deeper, you will discover the shiny pearl land of fisheries. In midst of cities' rush and peaceful waves of the ocean lies a small world of fishermen.
फिशरमैन का एक यूनिटी है, कम्युनिटी. वो लोग के पास मेंबरशिप का कार्ड है, जो कौन कौन नंबर है वो लोग पता देगा, वो नंबर के हिसाब से बोला देगा.
For whom every morning sun acts like a curtain call. Leaving the thought of result behind, fishermen push their boats out the sand into the sea away.
एक दिन जो मिलता है दूसरा दिन कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. ऐसा है, एक दिन 1000 रुपये मिलेगा, दूसरा दिन 500 मिलेगा, दूसरा दिन 100 रुपये मिलेगा. ऐसा है, एक दिन 50,000 रुपये मिलेगा.
They usually start preparing for the catch before dawn, gather their nets in, mend them, and dry them on the sandy shore. The trawl is then pulled through water by one or more boats called trawlers or draggers to catch the fish. Fisherwomen, although to a lesser extent now, were traditionally in charge of auctioning the fish that came in, buying, cleaning, selling, and cutting them from the sea.
Now this time now no fishing too much. Only small fish. That is problem.
During the peak season, all 608 fishing villages harvest over 500,000 tons of marine products every year in Chennai. Norwegian salmon, Chilean sea bass, Vietnamese basa. For a city by the sea, we eat a surprisingly large amount of imported fishes. Ironically, we also have really few seafood specialty restaurants. Considering the wide range of local bounty our fishermen gather every day. And what better than fried fish of Basant Nagar beach to sit on the shacks and experience the exquisite and mouth-watering panfrey, rui or katla. Braving the choppy waters the sector faced globally, seafood exporters in Chennai had a decent haul in first 7 months of fiscal year 2022.
Suppose fishing business loss, no, government is also lost. Understand? That's what I'm telling you. Currency, no, foreign currency. Fishing money only currency. You don't know anyone. Only main fisherman is money. Fishing export. Fishing export also that is main. Foreign currency also is a lot of money is government is coming.
But the lives of fishermen don't limit to stats. Fisheries are as culturally embedded in Chennai as anything else. They don't even leave them while working or studying.
ஒரு பொண்ணு ஒரு பையன் பையன் வந்து ட்ரிபிள் முடிச்சிருக்காப்புல எலக்ட்ரிக்கல், அதாவது ட்ரிபிள் முடிச்சுட்டு போட்டுக்கும் போகிறப்பல வேலைக்கும் போகிறாப்புல.
Or you might say they won't leave the fisheries behind. So much so that even as incomes have dwindled, profession's value to local lives have remained the same. Fisheries are caught till 10. Not one caught is let to wait. So with such complexities, is the life of fishermen beautiful? Is the profession of fishing really good?
Definitely fishing is good. Somebody told me now fishing is not good, fisherman is not good. No, fisherman fishing is good. Fishing now, any one day now you can weekly 4-5 days now you will make it money. You go to shopping now within one day. Saturday, Sunday only business. Here only now 5 days is business. Fishing. Only sea is rough now, never go anyone. Or 3 days you will be adjust now. Today only I will make it 10,000 now. After 3-4 days now it will be money is adjust. Daily never expecting 10,000, 5,000. One day 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15, 100,000. Make different rate business. Some after 2-3 months big fish is coming. That money also will be saving.
On some days earning is 10,000. On others, it's zero. Some days their lives are at risk. On others, due to cyclones and epidemics, their families' lives are at stake. Their day starts at 5 in the morning and ends at night. Those with shack near the beaches ready dishes of various flavors for their customers to enjoy. This brings to end a tiresome day, right? But ask anyone, it's not their profession, but pride and heritage. As they say, fishing is good.